welcome. So I've been getting lots of emails and messages about if I was okay and that everything was going okay. And yes, it is. And so I just wanted to come on and give you a quick video letting you know what's been going on.
Just create with fabric and floss.
So besides my health, I've been dealing with some migraines, and we're trying to get my thyroid and everything under control. That's all going in the right direction, and I'm feeling much better. But on top of all of this, my daughter's getting married in less than 2 months. 2 months. So we've been trying to finalize all of the projects that we need to do for that. We are making the veil. We have signs that we have to make. We're making other things. We're making benches because it's an outdoor wedding. So we have lots of stuff that we've been making. And so I've been working on that. But after the wedding, things are going to be coming back to normal. I'll be doing some updates, which I'll get to that here in a minute. But this is what I've been working on. This is a cathedral veil with wild flowers embroidered on some tulle. And so it's over 108, I think it is, inches long that I've been having to work on. So this is where my time has been going. And it's well worth it, but that's why some of my videos have been short. I haven't been doing a project and different things like that. But there is so much stuff in the works behind the scenes that I've been doing. So, as you all know, my husband started his own channel. So, if you want to check it out, it is just a nature ambient sounds. I'll link that down in the description so you can check it out. But we're going to be doing 2 videos a week, again, after the wedding. So probably starting in July. We're going to be doing a project videos. And then I'm going to do what's going to be called either quilting quickies or embroidery quickies, which is going to be a video that is 3 minutes or less that will be giving you a tip, trick, idea, technique, something like that. But they're going to be short, simple, to the point videos. As you also probably have seen, we have shorts that we post. I will be posting 1 to 2 shorts a day. So make sure you check those out. And then the community tab. If you have not been over there lately, be sure to check it out. There's going to be a lot of more tips and tricks and ideas on the community tab as well. And then we also have buy me a coffee, or in my case, a tea, because I don't drink coffee, as a way that you can support the channel. And I will have my patterns and stuff listed over there. You can always join my channel membership as well, and you get perks with that, which I will list your name in the video, at the end of the video, and different things. You get early access to the videos, different things like that. So that is what's been happening. So I will be still posting on my channel every week through June 17th. That's when the wedding is. And then after that, I will be back to more posting, more engaging, more fun. So if there's something that you want to see, be sure to comment below. My next project that I'm looking to do is done with scraps. So if you have a scrap idea, maybe comment below and we'll see what we can come up with for our next project videos. So until then, happy quilting, my friends.